Welcome to a special review of Wall Street Toro about Bitcoin and other altcoins. In case you do not know us, we have been active on the stock market for over 25 years. Our YouTube channel reviews most earnings and we specialize in picking stocks every month. If you like this video, please hit this button on the bottom right of your screen. Thank you. Lately we are getting the question a lot about Bitcoin and other coins. What's our opinion about them and should we invest in them? Let's have a quick look at what is Bitcoin exactly and the history behind it. Bitcoin, is a decentralized digital currency, without a central bank or single administrator, that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. 7. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. The cryptocurrency was invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The currency began use in 2009 when its implementation was released as open-source software. Bitcoins are created as a reward for a process known as mining. They can be exchanged for other currencies, products, and services, but the real-world value of the coins is extremely volatile. Research produced by the University of Cambridge estimated that in 2017, there were 2.9 to 5.8 million unique users using a cryptocurrency wallet, most of them using Bitcoin. Users choose to participate in the digital currency for a number of reasons: ideologies such as commitment to anarchism, decentralization and libertarianism, convenience, using the currency as an investment, and pseudonymity of transactions. Increased use has led to a desire among governments for regulation in order to tax, facilitate legal use and trade, and for other reasons, such as investigations for money laundering and price manipulation. Bitcoin has been criticized for its use in illegal transactions, the large amount of electricity, and thus carbon footprint, used by mining, price volatility, and thefts from exchanges. Some economists and commentators have characterized it as a speculative bubble at various times. Bitcoin has also been used as an investment, although several regulatory agencies have issued investor alerts about Bitcoin. Now let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently trading around 30,000 euros. It has reached 50,000 euros in the last few months but then dropped back to the current level. That being said, let's go to the conclusion and our opinion about Bitcoin and other altcoins. First of all, we have to say Bitcoin is definitely unique in its kind, and the way it has been developed has caused a lot of interruption in worldwide markets. Which maybe was the idea of the inventor in the end. To our opinion, we do not see Bitcoin as a great investment at the moment. We will explain you why. First of all, governments are against it. You may ask yourself, why are they against it? The obvious reason is taxes. Let's say you rent your house and they pay into your wallet in Bitcoin. The government cannot track this at the moment, nor can they charge taxes over it. This is why they are against it, plain and simple. If they cannot ban it, they will try to make it very difficult. Secondly, the carbon footprint. It takes huge amount of energy to create a Bitcoin, and in these days that's exactly what people are more and more aware of. Change of environment, etc. So another negative point. Third, the volatility. It makes it almost impossible to charge in Bitcoin or trade in Bitcoin if the price is not stable. It is not stable as there is a small group which basically controls the price. Finally, what's there to gain? There is the possibility, of course, to make money out of a Bitcoin investment. But that way is to buy cheap and sell expensive. But you are taking huge risks because that Bitcoin you bought yesterday could be worth a quarter less today. So our advice is, until the coin matures, to stay on the sidelines. We hope you enjoyed our special review of Bitcoin.